Hi to everyone guys in a new vlog. Sorry for my inactive mood during last period of time, the last 2 weeks, because I was highly 100% into the new robots that we are making for the crypto. If you didn't see this video where I was explaining to you about that robot, highly recommend you to check. So today's video will be about expectation and reality, because when we come to the market we have very high expectation and sometimes reality is a little bit different. I'll share with you my own recommendation how to not to build for yourself very high expectation, because it really can make like bad impact on your final result, on your mood, on your emotional part of the trading. That, you know, it's also very important if you want to be profitable and consistent in this area. So this is like a weekend vlog. I'll show you part of Istanbul, part of my life, and let's start. When someone contacts me and I have never speak with them before, every time I start conversation from the same questions. First of all, did you trade before? The second question, how much money are you going to invest? Third question, what is your expectation regarding profit? And the first, what is your risk? What is the size of the risk that you can accept? And from those information, I can really understand what is the expectation and is it close to reality of no. Because to be honest, a lot of such kind of requests, they are totally like crazy and they are not even close at least to the reality. One guy contacted me and told me, I want to invest 1,500 and you need to create for me the strategy how I can reach $100,000 in 3 months. What about the risk? He told me maximum risk is $500. Of course I told him like this is impossible. And he's asking me why, can you explain it to me? Another point, one guy even yesterday I think contacted me that I want to deposit $500 and my maximum risk and my expectation, I want to get like minimum $1,000 per month. You need to calculate everything in percentages, because from $500, $1,000 monthly, how much? It's 200 percentages. It's really close to impossible. Of course, maybe you can find some ways in the internet that someone make it like that, but it's one example from thousands. Mostly these thousand other people that was trading in the same way, they was losing their money. What I also found that people with low amount, they running for this idea to become rich quickly. People with big amounts, they are more clever regarding understanding how the things is going on with the money making system, how this money flow is working, what is the real percentages, what is unreal. And that's why I can understand why people lose it in the end, because they are eating this fake advertising, this fake lifestyle, and they want to have the same. So this is the first point, like unreal expectation regarding profit, that profit is very big. Those expectation, it doesn't matter about the market. So it might be Forex, crypto, even after all this hype with the crypto, those expectations from the people becoming way more. So they think that from one investment, like 10x, it's meaning 1000%, it's so easy to do and no need to learn anything. You just need to buy something, hold for some period of time, and 100% it will jump and it will generate for you this huge profit. But you know, this is only some successful stories, and in reality it's not even close like that. The next very important point, this is expectation in the risk department. Some people, they think that there is no risk, and when they are coming to the market they are not calculating risk in the proper way. Even like advanced who are trading in the market for a long time, they can calculate their profit. But 70% of all traders, they have problem with the risk department. they making a lot of mistake about risk. They are not making some back test, they are not making, I don't know, some testing. They are trusting to their trading system a lot. They think that if I create something, it must be something like unbelievable. I had one client, we create for him the trading bot. He was trading with this trading bot approximately 1 year, and it was really profitable. It gave him more than 150%, I think 164 if I'm not wrong. And then this bot start trading in minus. It start closing position in minus. And when he showed me, I of course advised him like, listen, you need to stop using this bot. You need to make some new backtest optimization to continue using for personal trading. He told me no. How come? It was trading for me with 1 year almost, generating me good profit. Why it will stop making money for me right now? And then he lost of his capital, approximately 60% of his capital he lost. So this is it. This is one expectation and a little bit different in reality. As you know, I'm passionate in the trading bots, and I'm making them by myself every time. Yes, I'm calculating the risk, I'm calculating the maximum drawdown, but every new product make me exciting a lot, and sometimes I'm not paying attention to details that in the end can make big impact on the final results, like it happened with the last bot for the crypto. I saw some things that I didn't like at the beginning, but because I make this back test, I spend a lot of the time with it. I decide no, I need to run. It will trade 100% in a proper way. Yes, it's trading nice. Even right now it's in minus because of this Bitcoin fall down a lot of 30%, but it's made only minus of 10%. And I found today the way how to edit it and how to change the customization, the settings that will give me plus. But still, if I will pay attention from the beginning, it will be profitable from the beginning, but not right now. I need to work with some minus. So this is it. This is how it's working, especially for me, that because my expectation becoming so high from new product, even I'm experienced, even my not expectation depends on the profit of there is no risk. I understand what does it mean risk, what does it mean profit, but I'm very excited because of this new product, and I didn't pay attention to these problems that I can fix, and it will really help me to make a better result. How to deal with this kind of expectation? First of all, your profit must be based on some research on previous history. It will decrease a little bit your expectation. Then I highly recommend to divide it in two. So if you even if you are able to see some back tests, try to divide them and not to expect to generate the profit. First of all, you need to try to think about the risk. Also, if we are talking about risk, try to put the maximum risk. So what we are doing, we are building portfolio, and every currency pair or crypto pair has its own risk. I'm trying to add and to make some situation if all currency pairs or crypto pairs will make me minus in one situation, in 1 day, in 1 month, and there will be my maximum drawdown. So it's meaning my expectation regarding risk becoming very high. I'm expecting to receive more risk than it might be in reality. Also regarding profit, I'm trying to divide the expected profit so it's lower than it might be in reality. Because if you will expect an example, the profit of 2-3%, and you will get 5, 6 or 10, you will be motivated, it will motivate yourself. If you will expect around 10-15%, but you will make it in the end of the month like 5, you will think, oh my god, I lose something. So finally guys, I'm close to my home and I want to tell you one more thing. So if we are talking about trading and this expectation in reality trading, expectation every time is the same, want to make profit as maximum as we can. And I want to remind you one more thing, yes, as maximum as we can. But some things we cannot make. We cannot make here this 1,000 percentages from small amount. Mostly if people made like this, it's more by luck than consistent type of the profit. And reality in this market, this is losing money. There is high probability of losing all your amount. So in that case, I highly recommend you to build your expectation more natural, because it will give you chance to stay in this market as long as you want, first of all, and you will be able to generate a profit. Yes, maybe small one, but in consistent way you will be able to get this experience, not by losing your money, but by trading and spending your time in this field. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood my message, because as I told you last week, I got a lot of the requests from the clients, 90% of them having this huge expectation that not even close to reality. Of course I tell them no, but I think they will go to some other companies, they will tell them yes, and in the end, unfortunately, they will lose money. So they will be in these percentages of losing people, not in the profit. But if you want to be in these small percentages but profitable, highly recommend you to build your expectation, first of all based on the risk, and the second one is more natural if we are talking about profit. See you in our next videos. Next videos will be more technical, about crypto, about forex, about robots, more about instruments that will really help you to generate your profit in this field. See you in our next videos.